Hey Digicians, this is a full featured e-commerce portal, and in the back end of this portal there is a complete e-commerce management system, and you are going to be a service provider for offering this portal to your prospective clients. Yes, so at Digician on this channel we are exploring on the ideas and solutions through which we can set up our own digital business. So in this video we are going to discuss a solution through which we can provide an e-commerce portal to our clients or to our sales pitch. So this is a full featured e-commerce portal, and this is not using the ShopUs, ShopC or WordPress or any other CMS, because we are going to use a script for delivering such a good portal which all the advanced feature that requires a advanced and modern e-commerce website. So like if we talk about the product listing, you can see the speed, and this is cookie information, the add to cart option. Okay, so we need to log in before adding the product into cart, and this is also a very good feature. And there is a chat system. You can see the product listing and the stunning layout that we can have or we can offer to our clients. I'm going to show you how you can set up this business like a digital solution provider and or a website or portal development agency, and you can quickly launch this portal for your clients and even for yourself. And this is a multi-vendor portal, so there might be multiple accounts related to this portal that can, and those accounts can be a individual seller on this portal. So we are going to discuss a full feature e-commerce solution with multi-vendor facility, and the script that we are going to explore and discuss in this video is ShopUs. So this is a Laravel multi-vendor fashion e-commerce website solution, and it has user shop website, admin panel, and even seller panel. So it uses the Laravel, so it is going to be a stable and full-featured website, and you don't need to manage the website so often as you need to do in the CMS portals like WordPress and all. So the solution is just available for $39 through the video description link. But yes, let us discuss the complete solution, how it is going to work, how the data flow is going. And there is a feature, progressive web app. So this portal is going to also work like a web application, and it can be installed on Android and iOS devices as well. So the complete solution is here. Let us start discussing. First of all, I'll show you the backend admin panel, and later I'll show you the seller panel as well. So don't miss any part of this video if you are really serious about setting up a digital business for you, and that can be a source of main or even a passive source of income. Yes, so don't wait, and you don't need any technical knowledge for doing all these things. We are going to help you at all steps, and you are going to be the owner. This is going to be a white label solution, so you can sell it as many times as you need. Okay, so I'm here at the dashboard of admin panel of this wonderful e-commerce portal, and I'll show you the screens so that you may understand how the data is flowing, how the system is going to work. At the dashboard, first of all, we have overview on the orders, how many orders are going and what are the pending status, what is the sales, what is the earning, how many products are there, and other information in a very crisp manner, so we can grab all this information in a single look. As an administrator, you have to configure the system for the very first time. So I'll start with the setting screens that you need to do at the very first time. This is a complete white label solution, and you don't need any technical or coding skill for doing all these things. So it is very important. You have to buy the solution, and you can install the solution at your domain, at your hosting, and we are going to help you, or even we are going to install you the solution for you. So there is no fee for this, so it is very clear. And in the general setting, we have the front end root URL. So what is the domain name? This is the domain name. We can enable the phone number required on the register page for email, phone verification. Phone code can be here, like if we are in India, we can use the Indian phone code or the country code. Multi-vendor system, we can enable or disable and depending upon your requirement. So you can enable the things. So you can keep the portal in a single vendor manner or in a multi-vendor manner. Sidebar, large header, and the sidebar, small header, and all such basic things, like we can change the currency sign or the currency name. So basically we are discussing in the terms of India, so we can simply select the I and R here for running the portal in Indian clients, and even it can be multi installation, and you can go for multi currency, but for one installation there would be only one currency, so it is very important to note. And you can select the time zone and all such things accordingly. On the next screen you can upload the logo and 5 icons. Similarly, we can change the theme color, primary and secondary, cookie consent, Google reCAPTCHA, Twat, chat. So chat support is also available through Twat, so you can configure the credentials here. Similarly, you can configure the Google Analytics, custom pagination options are also here. The Facebook pixel you can integrate, and the database update just in case if it is available from the developer side. So it is very simple and easy to use. You can see there is no technicalities in this. At the next screen, we have clear database options just in case if you want to use software from scratch and installation is already done, but it is very danger zone. So you should not click this on randomly because it is going to clean up all the database. But yes, the installation would be there. And so database, it means all the credentials, all the exchanges will be cleared. So it is a very important thing to note. Further, we have options to contact message, like this is the contact message. If you want to save the contact message in the database, please enable this button. If you want not to save the contact message in database, please disable. So it is for privacy policy. In fact, admin list, how many admins are handling the system, so it can be seen on this screen. On the next screen, we have some configurations, like at first time we can update the email host and SMTP details so that system may communicate using the email address that you are going to configure. Similarly, we have the email templates that we can edit easily. So what the text is going, so you can simply customize the text that you want to send, like password, reset, description and all. You can use the short code, and just keep in mind you should not disturb these short code areas, and you can make a copy of this before you start the editing, and it is going to be super simple for editing the email templates. Similarly, we have SMS configuration, so we can use the SMS gateways like Twilio. It is mainly very important, very popular SMS gateway that is being used worldwide, and it works throughout the world. So you can go with Twilio account. You will have to take the credentials from the Twilio account, and you can directly configure the Twilio here. And same to SMS template, you can edit the SMS template as and where required. We have subscribers options, so send email to all subscriber for promotional activities. So this is available here, so you can directly send an email to all your subscribers. Further, we have language settings screen so that we may run the portal in the country in the language that we want. So admin language can be set here, like about us and all. So this is basically the nomenclature, and we can edit the things, like if we want to change the admin language text here, so we can change it with another text and in another language. And if we talk about the admin validations languages, and it can be simply change all the things. Front-end language we can set, so blog details and all. Language means basically the text that is being displayed on the portal in the front end or back end. So don't get confused with the language. So I was also confused, in fact, from the name. So this is basically text label changes of text that is being displayed on the portal. Okay, so language we seen, the setting we seen, and the configuration we have cleared. And the next screen we have website setup. So the front end or the back end of the website can be handled from this area. So the SEO setup is here for SEO, like pages per home page, SEO title, and we can keep the SEO description. Similarly for About Us and all other pages. In the next screen, we have slider options that we can edit the slider contents here, like the image is being visible here, displayed here. So we can change the images everywhere from this area. And okay, this is slider setup, and you can change the slider text as well. In the next option, we can also add new slider images, like these are the images. At the next, we can simply edit the service screens like free shipping, return policy. All text can be edited, or it can be activated or deactivated using this toggle button. It is again going to simple homepage section title. So my market category, popular category, and also you can see these are the categories, like the hot sort category, the new arrivals. These are the categories that can be edited in the plus sale. So this is the backend, and okay, so the backend is here, plus sale and all. So these are the categories. You can simply update new arrivals, hot sort category, popular category, and all. Okay, great. So next is the seller conditions. So what conditions you want to update, like if you are offering the seller to join the portal, so these are the terms and conditions that you can share with the seller so that the system may work in a manner that you want, and that can be very logical. Testimonials area can be edited, and similarly we have area like the maintenance mode. We can enable the announcement, the subscription banner, the image content, just in case if you want to edit. So these are the image content, so all the images can be updated here directly, and the default avatar. So these are the avatar. Okay, so this is again great. Next, we have shop setup. In the shop setup, we have the e-commerce setup like flash sale area, and in the flash sale area, what we want to display, and what is the text that is being displayed on the shop sale area. Similarly, the flash sale product, we can add here the coupons. We have an option to create coupons, and the payment method. So this is very important because you have to do all the payment setups here. So like in India, Stripe and the Razorpay is very popular. So you can easily configure the Stripe and Razorpay using the API keys that you can obtain from the payment gateway provider. Further, we have other payment options like cash on deliver, bank account, and other payment gateway providers. So this is again very simple. Product. So on an e-commerce portal, product is the main thing that we need to maintain always, most often randomly. So these are the product categories that we can create and edit. So you can also image the product category image that is also being displayed on the front end. Like this in the product category that you can see. And further, we have subcategories options, the child categories. We can create here the mega menu category, the popular category, and the feature category. So basically, product categories are here. And if we are managing the products, like we can manage the products brand wise, the product can be imported in a bulk format. So you need to have a product list options in the Excel sheet, and you can import the demo, all the product. You can simply create the product one by one. So you can add a new product, you can choose the thumbnails, the product sort name, slug, the product category that is already created, subcategory, child category, the brand, and the SKU, action, offer price, and the stock quantity, weight, tag. So this is all about the product listing. So you are listing the products like top product, arrival, the status, titles. You can upload everything about a single product on this screen. So you can use a thumbnail image here. Stock out, just in case if you want to stock out. So this is option where you can mark the stock out. And if sellers are there at your portal, so these are the sellers details, and these are the options as what seller are doing at your portal. Basically, seller pending products if it is there, and similarly we have options to control the seller options like specification key, product reviews, and product reports. So it can be for our portal as well. So the product is managed and now the inventory is the area. So the inventory is integral part of every e-commerce portal. So you can manage the inventory, you can check the inventory at this screen, and further if you want to update the inventory, it can be edited simply from this screen. Okay, so inventory management is here and the point of sale. Just in case if you are using the portal for direct sales, I mean not an online sales, and you are using this portal at the store, so point of sale option is also here, so you can add new order directly from this. So if you are taking direct orders, so you can add new orders, and the bulk order accept option is also here. So it is also very good option that is available with the system. And now we have covered most of the things about the portal. So the final thing is maintaining the orders on the day-to-day and regular basis. So this is the order list, and you can further segregate the orders like pending orders, progress orders, delivered orders, compared and all. And you can check the order details here. So this is basically the screen where you can check all the details of order. You can even add new items to the order, existing orders. You can update the status. You can print the invoices, screens and all. So this is complete order management, like cash on delivery orders can be seen separately, declined orders and the completed orders and all. You just hit the screen where you can check the customer list, how many customers are there in the portal, the pending customer, seller list. So seller list can be handled from this screen, and you can add a new seller and edit the existing sellers as well. For that, the pending sellers options are here. So this is all from the admin end. You are going to maintain, or your associate is going to maintain this screen. But if it is a multi-vendor system, the seller screen will be separate. So I'm going to show you now seller login. Okay, so at the seller login, we have the limited access on the portal, and there are the same screens but with limited access. Like seller can manage all the orders. So seller is also selling the product. So seller can manage all orders for the products that the seller is saying, not the complete order. So it is again important thing. So seller can manage only those products that he or she is saying. So it is very obvious, but yes, it is very important to note. So these are the orders, and further manage products, like seller can create new products and the product can be imported in a bulk, and product can be managed from the seller panel as well, and action, like these are the actions, image gallery, product variant can also be added. So this is our again. So if it is a variable product, the product variants can be easily added through this screen. So this is very important thing. So single type product or variable products can be easily added from this screen, and the same feature is available at admin screen as well. So images can be added up to any number of images, like 5, 6, 10 images for a single product, or product variations can be added. Pending products, just in case if it's not approved, and stock out marking, the product reviews if sellers can manage, and the product reports. Similarly, inventory options for seller and the my withdraw. So seller is not collecting money directly. It is important feature to note. You are the admin and you are collecting all the money, and seller is selling the products but not collecting their money directly, even by using payment gateways. So seller cannot collect the money if even they are selling products, because you are the admin owner, you are the platform owner, and you are going to collect the money from the admin dashboard, from the payment gateway that you have configured, and seller can only add a withdraw request depending upon, like seller can update their bank details and the withdraw amount depending upon the sale that he from their products that has been earned. So withdraw range is 5%, or withdraw range can be different and set by admin. Widget user dashboard. If it is seller wish to check the user dashboard, so seller can check this. So this is again. So become vendor option is here. Seller can directly apply for selling the products on your portal, so you don't need to reach out seller separately. So seller can register themselves as a seller, and you can approve the seller from your admin. And finally, I'm going to show you the user login. So user@teamman.com. This is just a test credentials. and you'll get the same upon installation. So installation is so simple, and this is user login. So user is basically the portal user, and the users are going to buy the products at this portal. So user can simply jump to their dashboards and they can check what orders they have made, what are their profile and all. So user can directly order the product once they are registered, and this is a very good option uh, that user can add to cart and go for adding to cart, so that all the products out of stock is here. Okay. So it is completely user end. So user end is always simple and easy. So user are going to buy the products after they log in. They can go to the cart, they can order, proceed to checkout. These are the user screen. They have saved address like we do in the Flipkart, Amazon and all. User can select the payment gateways, and further by sharing the card details, user can place the order. So it is very simple and easy to use for user perspective. Even it is the same complete solution is very easy to use from the admin perspective, the seller perspective, and finally we can conclude that this is a complete solution for email e-commerce solution as an e-commerce solution, and it also provides payment gateway and the progressive web app, so you can configure everything. And another thing, you can also check the app by clicking on this link. So I'm going to add all the relevant links in the description of this video. You can check all these things at your own end. You can check the app, I mean the PWA, progressive web app. Okay, so the final note, what can be we can discuss. So this is $39 solution, and almost same you have to spend on the hosting at the initial level if you have very limited number of users and you are selling very less number of products. Like let us say if you are selling the 50-100 products, so you can have a basic hosting that can be cPanel based hosting. So under $100, so you can say in the Indian rupees 7,500, you can start this solution. So this is going to be a business in just under 10,000 rupees. You are going to start a business that can be a source of income for you. So what is good? What can be good out of this? So let us start the solution, and in the next video I'm going to show you more solutions that can be really amazing, and I'm also exploring the ideas through which you can smartly work with the web technology. So keep watching, and you can explore other videos as well. Select the business that you like, and you can start with us directly. So all the links in the given in the video description, and we can get in touch. And the next video I'm going to bring more solutions. Thanks for watching. Keep waiting.